What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to y'all today, finally, with the 2019 Lexus GX 460 that we just picked up from Mom. Man, we've been hunting for a good used one of these forever. And finally, one popped up. And on Facebook Marketplace of all freaking places. Story on this one goes, it was owned in, Ocala, Florida, at a place called The Villages. It's a retirement community, real fancy, golf courses, country club kind of place. A man in his 80s owned it. He was alone. All he did was play golf, and that was it. As a matter of fact, this thing just sat in his garage, and when his son acquired it earlier this year, it had about 10,000 miles on it, and it's a 2019. His son thought about keeping it for him and his wife and the family, but they have a new Highlander, Grand Highlander, so they decided that was a little more efficient and easier to get in and out of with 3 small kids, and I can see and understand why. But yeah, I just wanted to get a little walk around of this for you guys, show y'all a few. I'm getting ready to wash it here in a minute, gonna clean her up. But yeah, so the son ended up with it after his dad passed away in January, and he brought it up here to Atlanta and sold it on Facebook Marketplace. And I felt like we got a pretty good buy on it. Let's see, when we got it, I think it had just turned over 11,000 miles, and we negotiated $40,000. So I feel like that's pretty fair for one of these, especially with that low mileage. My mom did want, we looked at some new stuff, the new RX 350 and the new GX, and all this new technology just really scares her, and she's not real interested in that. So we found the last, kind of like the last of the best, the OG GX 460, and it is clean, as you can imagine. Just, one elderly owner. Oh, we still got some plastic from the manufacturer here on this rubber floor mat. I'll have to get that off. I'm about to detail this thing and clean her up real good. She doesn't really need it. She's pretty damn clean. Got the captain's chairs. I think captain's chairs became standard sometime around 2019 or 18. Correct me if I'm wrong. And that was one feature my mother really wanted, just for comfort. And then the third row will not be used at all. She just has stuff for her dog to stay and her shopping bags. But I don't know the trim levels on these as well, but I know it's probably the same as my 06 LS430. It's kind of like a modern luxury, It has the screen nav. I don't think it has Mark Levinson though. Of course it's 4-wheel drive, and it's got your downhill assist and all that. But sorry for the shaky. But it doesn't have any of your air, fancy air ride stuff. Heated and cooled seats. Sunroof, of course. No DVD or entertainment. Let's fire up. Got the door open. 11,785. We've had it about 2 months now. And yeah, Mother hasn't, she hasn't driven it very much. It took her a hot minute to get used to it. At first, I don't think she liked it that much. She missed her LS and the quietness of the V8 in it. This one, of course, has the V8, but it has the loud school bus fan. You know what I'm talking about? And you can hear it when you're accelerating. But now that she's had it too much, she's like, I love this thing. This is like she's like, yep, love it. She loves the height, the visibility, just all of it, you know? I mean, and everything is just as new. Just as new. So that is nice. I mean, just, let's see, we found some plastic somewhere. I think it's on the back trim pieces right down here on the sills. Still has the plastic on it. Yeah, crazy, man. 11,785. So, I mean, this thing's, even though it's 6 years old already, it's got lots of life left, and it smells brand spanking new in here, y'all. Brand spanking new. We'll just go around the block. I'm not going far. I don't have my license for one thing. I'll do a little 0 to 60 out on my 4-lane strip up here soon. But I thought I'd just get y'all a little, I mean, like, everybody hasn't seen one of these. Everybody's seen one of these. But you haven't seen mine, or my mother's, rather. I'm enjoying the LS, of course. Gosh, I love that car. Who wouldn't? 125,000 miles on it right now. About time to get the oil changed, and I'm going to have the transmission serviced again. It was last serviced at around 60 to 70,000 miles. So I'm going to get it serviced again. But yeah, other than maybe needing a new set of tires here in the next 10,000 miles, it's running perfect, man. No problems, no problems. But yeah, good. I mean, she's torquey. She's not as quick as that LS, but she's got some get up and go. So anyway, I'm going to just kind of park her here in the shade. Bloop, bloop. What little bit of shade I got. And I'm going to get out here and give her a bath. Oh, I thought I might just show you guys. Look how clean under the hood. I mean, spotless. I mean, just spotless. Look at those headlights. I mean, you can tell this thing just sat in a garage. Oh, and it's got the PPF stuff, the plastic, and it's on everything. It's on the back of the mirrors. It's I've never seen this before. It's inside the door handles here, so it won't, you know, when you come in with your fingernails, it won't scratch up. So I thought that was kind of cool. Let's see. Look at that. Spotless. It has had a new battery last year. Been doing a whole lot of sitting. It was serviced at 10,000 miles. So it's pretty good to go there. I think that was actually the only service record on the whole truck. It probably should have been taken at about 1,500 or 5,000, but I think the man's health was deteriorating, and it just didn't get done. So when the son got it, he took it for the 10,000. So no harm, no foul, I'm sure. Oh, let's see. This is probably the only boo-boo right here that's been poorly touched up, and I ordered the correct color. This is a tricolor pearl paint. So, yeah, it's gonna come in probably 2 or 3 different tubes, and I'll have to probably put a coat on, let it dry, maybe sand it a little bit, then do another coat. Check that out. Factory tow package, baby, with the hookups and everything. What are these things rated to tow? About 7,700, 6,700? I'm not real sure. It's not like we do a lot of towing anyway. All we have is a utility trailer. Anyway, well, that's it. That's just an introduction to the 19 GX 460. Been holding out on this one, sorry. Just hadn't had time. Had a heart attack, by the way, 3 weeks ago. So just got out of the hospital with that not long and recovering from that. Had to have a stent put in my heart. So, you know, with the cancer and now a heart attack, it's just been a real exciting year. So, anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys with more content sooner than later, I promise. See you next time. Peace.